Alright, it is November the 5th in the evening. Sun's starting to go down. Got a new camera. Figure I'll give it a shot out here in the lower light. See how the puppies are doing. You can see the sun's going down. It's right there at about tree level. Puppies are out playing, and we're cleaning up the yard a little bit. Oh, there's Zeus going to the bathroom. Seeing how this does in really good full 1080p. It's got stability stuff on it so that it doesn't look so bobbly like normal. And supposedly 5-to-1 surround sound microphone, which shows the display on the display that I'm looking at. It's got a touch screen. It's pretty cool. It's got a hard drive built in. It's a Sony. It's really good. But they're all out playing. There's Tiny. There's Mama. There's Bear. There's Eva. There's Zeus. There's Micah. There's the Toucan. Mama got her new collar on. She got her new pink collar on today. She's looking all spiffy with the new collar. Yeah, Mama. But yeah, they're just out playing, having a good time. And I figured I'd give this new camera a whirl. Oh my God. Hi, big boy. Yeah, big boy. How you doing? Hi, Bear. Yeah. He's getting to be a big boy. You can see that he's up to my knees almost. He's definitely taking after his dad. There's Bear, just took him down. It's a hair smaller than him. There's Mama and Dad right there. It's Eve, Hope, and Zeus. They're the ones that made the puppies. Tiny still just chilling. His legs are still not working right. If anything, they're getting a little worse. He doesn't like going up and down the deck anymore. But he's doing okay. And he's cute as ever, and he's good. He loves laying on the bed because it's soft. Eva being good for once. Puppies trying to kill each other. What are you guys doing? You guys are pretty ferocious. Yeah, you guys are pretty ferocious. Alright, well, we'll see how this does. I'll get this posted, and we'll look forward to more videos. Alright, bye.